Hi, this is Jeannie from Trendy Tree, and today I wanted to show you this display that Carrie and Rachel created here in the Trendy Tree store. Now, I know you may be familiar with the Trendy Tree website, www.trendytree.com, but Carrie has opened a store here in Pontotoc, Mississippi. So this is a display that Rachel and Carrie put together. It's kind of a faux mantle display. And I wanted to show you the items that they used to decorate it. Now, these large lanterns on top are not something that we sell on Trendy Tree or in the store. These came from Carrie's house. They're just used for display. But there's some real unique ways that they decorated these, and I wanted to share that with you. The first thing that they used was the Cedar Garland, and I'll zoom in a little closer in a minute so you can see. But this is a raz garland. It's cedar, it's made of plastic, but it has a very realistic look to it, and that was just draped across there. And then Rachel added in some individual picks that have pine cones and a little sprig of eucalyptus, and then some little brown stems. And then she used several different ribbons. She made some bows, and then also just kind of draped the ribbon across the mantle. And here are the ribbons that she used. This first one is a black with white Christmas trees, and it's RGA 137202. It's 2.5 inches. And then here's one that's a 1.5 inch, and it's kind of a light natural with a black and white gingham check edge. And that number is RGA 1098X4. All these ribbons are wired and have 10 yards. And then this one is a gray and white plaid, and it's kind of a two-sided ribbon. It's more black and white on one side and gray and white on the other. One side is glittered and one side is not. Excuse me. And it is RW 7618CF. Okay, of course this is in the window, so there's a lot of light, so I'm trying to not shoot directly into the light. But the raz Cedar Garland number is G3922680, and it's just very pretty. And there's the ribbon that she used, and this ribbon that looks kind of gray, white, and glittery on one side, so the back side is more black and white. And then she also added in some of these little tiny wire lights, and they're battery operated. They're not on right now. Here's a couple of little signs that she used. This one says Fresh Christmas Tree Farm, and that is an assorted sign. And here's the other one. It says Sleigh Rods. It's kind of a chalkboard, and then has like a wood frame on it too, and it is Y6610-SR. And then she did the mantle with bows on each end, and then just draped the ribbon across the center. And then she used some of the faux snow, which is kind of a plastic, mossy type material, and that number is XA1227. Sorry. But I really like what she did with the lantern. Now that's a big lantern. It's a tall lantern. And she's got a bow on top with one of the picks. But inside, she used a candle, 2 candles, but she stacked the candles up on a package. She wrapped up a box with just brown paper, and then used the coordinating ribbon, and then placed some of the greenery in the lantern. So that package is a great riser. And of course those are all battery candles. I just don't have them on. And then she used these little buffalo check package ornaments. And they are a set of 2 from Raz. They're 2 sizes, and that number is 3902-375. And on the website, they come as a set of 2. I think they just blend so well with this arrangement. And then there's some little metal lanterns, and she has some battery candles in those. These are all the same size. And that number is 3525566. And there's another one of the little package ornaments. And there's another lantern where she put the candle up on a package and used the coordinating ribbon. This time she used the black with the white Christmas trees. And then there's more of the faux snow all along the manteltop. And let's see, I need to find that eucalyptus, this pine cone spray. It's got a pine cone and some eucalyptus and these little cedar berries and this little brown twig. The little evergreen pick is 23918, and it has a pine cone, a mixed Douglas fir, a little cedar, a little bit of eucalyptus, and this twiggy brown looking stuff. It's a very good, versatile pick, and she just placed those in a few places on the mantelpiece. And then the last thing, of course, this big red truck is just a display, but she has some packages. She filled it up with the white, with the faux snow, and then she used just some decorated packages, and then she's got these cute little snowball ornaments. I mean, these are just cute. They're glittery. This is about a 4-inch ornament, and the number is XH950827. Isn't that cute? Very pretty. Okay, I just wanted to give you a quick look at this one display in the Trendy Tree store. And if you're ever in Northeast Mississippi, we hope that you'll drop by and visit us. Now, the store doesn't have everything that's available on the website. It just has mostly seasonal decorations. But we would love for you to visit, and you can find all these items on our website, www.trendytree.com. And let me go ahead and show you a few more black and white items. This black and white buffalo check top hat blends so well with this group, this white pine farm sign, and of course there's all kinds of black and white style ribbons and all kinds of signs that you could use, with a display like this. They also decorated a tree with most of these items too, but I'll show you that on another video, okay? Thanks for dropping in. See you next time.